Little worried, but hey, the back has some stretch, so maybe it will fit. But you guys will know. In my try-on potion, if I tell you, say I'm gonna try them on. Hey guys, it's me again, Miss African Beauty. If I tell you, say I love you. Boom, boom. Yes, girl. So I'm back today to show you guys some more stuff that I got from, guess where? Fashion Nova Plus, well, Curve, I guess it's called. Your girl got some more stuff, so I'm here to show you guys my first impression of the stuff that I got from Fashion Nova. This is my second time ordering from them. The first time was fabulous. I loved their stuff. Price was pretty okay, and quality was pretty good. So I ordered again. Plus, I got free shipping and 30% off coupon in my last order. So, you know, your girl had to use that before it expired because it didn't have no expiry date, but I wasn't sure. So I just used it. Let's just get started. You watched my other video, you know it already came in this regular smuggler bag, white plastic bag. So let's open it and see what goodies that I got from Fashion Nova. Yes, girl. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video if you like it. Comment below. Don't be scared. Leave a comment like right down there, you know. Give me your feedback. Okay, so let's just open the package. Like usual, you get the return paper. I'm not going to return anything. This is the return sticker. Yes, girl, 30% off your next order. Keep them coming. I love these coupons. It's like, I think they know what they're doing because they know if you order before and you get next 30% off, you're like, oh, I'm going to order again. That's a good marketing strategy to be always sending coupons. With always bringing us back, you know? Okay, you have a chance to be featured on Fashion Nova IG. It's just one post away. Post a picture of your outfit of the day and tag Fashion Nova, hashtag Nova Babe. You know your girl gonna be doing that. I wanna be posting like, girl, I need some Fashion Nova publicity. Yes, don't mind when I'm weird. I'm just home. It's like after 9 o'clock at night, 9 p.m. and I got my packet yesterday. I picked it up today from my mom's house, and I want you guys to see my first impression. So I couldn't wait till tomorrow when I have natural light to do my video. So I'm using my washroom light because there's not much light, like bright light in my house. So, you know, I'm talking too much. Let's just get started on the unpackaging because I know that that's what you guys came here for. If you didn't know, stuff come in little baggies like this. Open our first bag up. This is a cute dress. It's called the Elodie Velvet Dress. It's just this nice, like, dark green velvety dress. It has, like, that lettuce cut going around in the front part slightly, and it has it on the arms. Also, the bottom has the lettuce cut too. I don't know if you guys can really see. Look at that color. Oh my god. I can't wait to wear this. And it's a little short dress. It's super cute. And I know it's gonna fit me. I got it in size extra large. Look at that stretch. Look at that stretch, girl. That's why I love Fashion Nova. And I think Fashion Nova is gonna be my new shopping spot, online shopping spot. So, yes, girl. Plus size is doing things. Next item, same baggy material. Just let you guys know everything I got is in extra large. In case I don't say, everything I got is in extra large. So this is our next dress. This is nice pink velvet dress. You know, velvet is in, crushed velvet, any velvet. Look at that. It just crosses over in the front. The back is just straight. It was an extra large. And it's called Sugar Coat Velvet Dress. Look at the color. Velvet is just so pretty. Oh my gosh, I should wear this with this lipstick. What do you guys think? This dress with this lipstick? I think it's a go-to, yeah. So this is this dress. Super cute. I think it's gonna be short, but you know your girl likes her short dresses. So this is perfect for me and I love it. I can't wait to try it on. Stay tuned for my try-on haul. I'll do that when it's daytime, so I have natural light so you guys can really see the item. So I'm gonna show you. This is our third item. Can you guess? Yes, another velvet dress. Yes, your girl needs to get up to date with her velvet. I was a little bit scared about this dress because of the cup part, but I don't know. This sexy, like, lime green velvet. Oh my god. I always wanted a dress with, like, cups like this, but I'm always scared because, you know, most likely they don't fit nothing. But these ones, maybe it can work out. You guys will see it in the try-on portion. It's called the Sippin' Tea Velvet Dress. I can picture myself sipping some tea in this. So gorgeous. Material so soft. It's also a shorter dress. As you can see here. The back just looks like that. It's just this beautiful lime green color. Look at that. Like, this is so pretty. I love it. I just hope the top part fits me, but it's an extra large like everything else. I believe I'm an extra large in Fashion Nova stuff. So my first order, I bought extra large, everything fit. So I just went with it. Hopefully everything fits again. So here's our next item. Our next item is a dress that I always see on Fashion Nova, but when I see reviews, people say the dress is so thin, but I got one anyways. So it's this type of ruching, we call it ruching here dress, and it has like a ties at the bottom here. And I heard the ties can go down to make the dress longer if you want, but I'm gonna be wearing it shorts. It's just spaghetti scraps. The back is just like straight. It's also a shorter dress. You can see in the size extra large. Has a good amount of stretch. I think it's gonna fit very nice. I know I don't really have gray dresses, so they had a whole bunch of colors in it: red, blue, pink, white, black, green, like every color basically. But I just said let me get the gray color, and the gray color was on sale, so you know your girl got that sale dress first. Yes, and if I like it in this color, I wouldn't mind go back and get more of this dress because it's pretty inexpensive. So yeah. So that's that dress, gorgeous. We got one more dress, guys, so let's just see that. This dress is more like a summer dress. You go on a picnic or something. I was a little skeptical about buying it, but it was on sale. Oh, the last dress, this is called the Shanghai Ruche dress in gray. That was the name of that. So this is this dress. It's like a longer dress. The top part is like this type of crochet knitted. And I think it's so... has a little smell though. It's okay. I'm gonna probably wash this before I wear it. But yeah, it has like this knitted type of pattern on the top, which I thought was so cute. It's a longer dress. It has two slits on the side. You can see them. It's a longer dress. You see it's still going. Yes, girl, you see that? So it's a longer dress, and the back just looks like this. I think it's gonna be super cute on like for the summertime. Just going out, run some errands with the kids. I just hope the boob part fits your girl. So stay tuned for that. So pretty much that's all the stuff that I got from Fashion Nova this time around. Your girl's gonna be buying more, especially with this 30% off coupon. Yes, girl. So stay tuned for my try and haul. Don't forget to subscribe, girl. Subscribe. Like now, hit the subscribe button like right now. I'll give you a moment. Thanks, girl. I really do appreciate it. Thanks for coming to my channel. Thanks for subscribing and stay tuned because you know your girl be bringing those videos back to back. So yes, my loves. Thanks for watching and see you guys very, very, very soon. Bye.